totally go vegan, but where would I get my calcium from? Alright, the truth is that I just can't stop drinking milk. I just love milk mustaches too much. Almond milk? I love nuts. But what if I'm like home and like then it runs out, you know? That would be a big issue. Banana milk. That was so easy. I love being easy. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite milk is. Do you love making natural mustaches too? Don't forget to push my button and make sure to subscribe. Thumbs up to vegan mustaches.